Welcome to the Roboticist Chronicles, an ARC Specialties podcast, where we get into the nuts and bolts of robots, automation, and the implications of an evolving machine workforce.
Hello, it's Dan. I'm back. We're in the GUDEL booth. I'm with Bob Rochelle. We've been working with GUDEL for a long time.
Very long time. You're one of our longest customers. You know that. One of our oldest ones. Excellent relationship.
So what I come to you for is travel units, because robots only got a certain amount of envelope, and a lot of times if you need a long envelope, you put it on a travel unit, and that becomes the seventh axis, and the robot has 40, 50, 100 foot of travel at that point.
Exactly. Infinite amount of travel if you want to. That's kind of how it works, and that's one of the things we do. We expand the reach of the robot. So if you can't reach it all, we'll move the robot. Now you can reach it all. Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
The thing I like about your stuff, it's precise, it's linear, and available, because you guys keep a lot of this in inventory, right?
We stock components to build them, so we get hopefully quick deliveries. I've had integrators tell me that they buy our product because that part of the project, we take the risk out of it for them. They know what's going to come in, like you say, finished, done, put on the floor, and it works.
I don't know how to break this to you, but we build travel units too.
I know that.
But I'm
well aware of that, sir.
I'm glad you don't do robots, but that's not to say we don't use yours. You know, when ours fits, we use it. When yours fits, we use it. I'm putting together one right now.
And that's the perfect relationship. I love it.
Yeah.
That's how we work together.
That's how robot integrators work. I got to go buy a robot from one of the robot companies, but then I need ancillary equipment, and the travel unit is a big part of it.
And whatever reason, we'll be happy to service you when you need us.
And so, what do we got going on behind us here? It looks like you're building whole gantries now.
That's an entire gantry system. That's correct. That's actually a unit that stacks the laminations and transformers. Extremely accurate placement, making sure everything is absolutely perfect, so when electricity flows, you get a transformer.
Who's welding the laminations together? Because we build those machines.
I don't know who's welding them, but we're stacking them, sir. All I'm doing is stacking.
Well, hook me up. So could we hang a robot on one of your gantries?
Absolutely.
So instead of one axis, we could have three?
You could have 3, 4. We've done 10s and 15s. Yes.
I need to look for one of those jobs.
You should. That's a big job. You can handle that one, without a doubt.
Thanks for all the help.
My pleasure, sir.
Thanks for
We'll
coming
see you
on
in
today.
Texas.
Soon. Come on.
Come on.